Hello everyone. Right then and there, the driver faced the biggest test of his life, and thankfully, he passed it. Just imagine driving down the road and suddenly watching trucks topple one after another. The guy clearly wasn't in the mood for a calm conversation, but the truck driver knew exactly how to handle him and managed to diffuse the tension. When you're dealing with truly massive trucks, even the most harmless looking turn can turn into a trap. The crossover driver couldn't decide which lane she wanted and ended up taking both.
Look at what you did to my car.
Yeah, I got video of what you did to me. You were right.
You hit me back there.
No.
And then you kept hitting me.
No. See, this is what happens.
No.
You said there?
I got a video of everything.
Yeah, I got a video.
Inside of my truck and keep it going.
Yeah, I've got a video too.
Watch out! Watch out! Slow down! dat, zeg?
Wat? Wat?
What the f***? Oh, you f***. Oh, you
Here's why slamming on the brakes in front of a truck is a really bad idea.
No way. Dumb bitch. Oh my god, get up to him, get up.
The truck driver thought it'd be a great idea to overtake while fully loaded. The guy who filmed this couldn't agree less.
What the hell are you doing? No! No! No!
Even the most experienced driver isn't safe from people who don't pay enough attention on the road. Danger can lurk in the smallest things. This truck slipped one wheel into soft ground, and when it finally climbed back onto the road, the driver had to fight hard to keep it under control. He managed it like a pro.
Oh, you stupid cunt! Oh, get the out of here! Holy!
Good thing the oncoming driver wasn't another trucker in just as much of a hurry.
He almost got hit. He didn't even go.
At least one person here really does deserve a driver's
He almost got
license.
hit at the end.
Oh no, honey! Your car no go there. That's the curb. Why you drive over it, honey? Yeah, you. Why? Oh my God, honey! Look, you stuck. What you?
That way. Get your ass back in there. Go ahead!
around me, brother.
Get back in your fucking truck! Go ahead, get back in your truck! Yeah, go ahead!
The guy who filmed this actually pulled over to let his colleague pass, but the guy clearly came itching for a fight. Later, that lumberjack trucker was taken into custody.
Goose, horse, goose, goose, goose.
This is the kind of road you wouldn't wish on your worst enemy. It's dangerous even for a small car, let alone a heavy truck. Good thing the driver had luck on his side.
T'as quoi toi, eh? Vas-y, mets-toi devant, vas-y. Allez, range. Bien fait pour ta gueule, vas-y. Motard, allez. Oh, elle est magnifique.
Maybe if things like this happened more often, driving on the road would be a lot more enjoyable.
Dans la dashcam.
Appuie vers marqueur.
Apparently, he figured the yield sign wasn't meant for someone as cool as him. He'll find out soon enough that he was wrong. Want to know what happened next? The driver tried to pin the blame on the guy filming, but when the police arrived, they actually suggested the cameraman should file a report. He generously refused. The damage was minor. The driver deliberately kept the distance tight so no one could slip into his blind spot. But judging by her behaviour, it almost seemed like she wanted that truck to hit her.
Твою мать!
Y'all take a look at this stupid dumb ass right here. What in the is going on? That boy was sliding. Y'all stay safe out there and keep trucking, you heard me? This don't stop the dumb way. You hear me? Dumb.
Oop, it's coming up. Whoop, there it goes. There it goes. He is going to flip this truck, and no one's going to be able to get out of this truck stop. And he's got no grip on the back tire of his cab. This guy is completely. This guy is completely.
By the Human Rights Council, asked to do this work for the United Nations without remuneration, which indicates our commitment to the position. So we should not be penalized for doing our job properly. In my case in particular, I'm already announced publicly to the President of the Human Rights Council that I'm retired. The US says their goal in terms of these actions are not penalizing people that are.
Most men don't wear perfume, Pigeon, or dresses that make that much noise. You're huge.
OnStar emergency.
ब्रेक फेल हो गई ना वो पीछे गई यार
Current loop video is now locked.
Do you see any danger on this seemingly ordinary road? It's there, and it's more serious than you'd think. With no trees around, the stretch is completely exposed to strong gusts of wind, with nothing to slow them down, and the consequences can be dramatic. Trying to turn around in that spot turned into a complete disaster. Things might have ended much better if not for the driver's stubbornness. It was his determination to do it no matter what that led to such an unfortunate outcome.
Olha a merda que esse cara tá fazendo. Aqui da roda vai quebrar.
They had to think outside the box to free the driver in trouble. They ended up pulling him out of the truck using a ladder. Imagine you're a long-haul trucker. You're sleeping in the cab, and this is what wakes you up in the morning. Looks like this driver's finally going to find out why parking in a no parking zone is a bad idea.
А как он? То ли высоту. Высота.
Не-не-не, высота у него нормальная. Видишь, наверное, видишь, знак стоит, типа можно ехать, преимущество у нас, а может с той стороны кто-нибудь не уступил.
То ли заснул, прощемился в ту сторону. И получается, что сейчас же движение железнодорожное остановлено, да?
Что он ебётку, что ли? Или это просто совпадение, что они там ковыряют?